everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, what is on Sunday? Sunday is a Mother's Day. So everyone wants to make their mother feel special. So here's a card that I'm going to tell you how to make a card for your special and very special mother. Let's get started. Take an A4 size sheet and fold it into half. When it's done, give the outer side of the sheet borders with black marker. Draw these borders in the front side as well as inside the card. It is an opening card, so you need to draw borders here and here, just an outline with the black marker. So the borders are done. The borders are done from inside and from the back side also. Now what we need to do, we'll take a square piece of paper, a colorful paper, whatever is available with you. Now you need to fold it from one side and then from another side. Fold it from the left and right side, but leave one side open. Now what we will do, we'll use some Fevicol here, here and here, and then we'll paste it on the white sheet like this. So let's use Fevicol. Before applying this Fevicol, you need to cut a square piece from inside. As you can see, the square piece is cut from the center. Now you need to apply the Fevicol on the three sides of the sheet and paste it upside down like this. Press it properly so that it is pasted. Now I am going to take another sheet and cutting it in the size of this with the help of a scale. So now cutting it with the help of a scissor. So now we need to put this sheet inside and we need to make it a slider like this. Okay. Now what we will do, we'll draw two characters, a mother and a girl or a boy, whatever you want to. If you are a boy, draw a boy, and if you are a girl, draw a girl. But the mother will remain the girl only. We need to make these two characters as they are hugging each other. Mother's hug is the best hug all over for all the kids. So mother is done and I am going on with the girl. You can draw a boy too, making their arms in front as the arms of a kid and a mother. We need to show that they hug each other. Okay, so the characters are drawn. Now we need to cut them in this shape. You can take the help of your parents. You can not take the help of your mother as you want to give this card to your mother, but you can take the help of your elder sister or your father and give your mother a beautiful card and a surprise. Mother has been cut. Now here comes the daughter or the boy, the son you have drawn.
Go.
So we have 3 characters here. If you want to draw a girl, you can draw a girl. If you want to draw a boy, you can draw a boy. Now we'll color these characters. So now we are going to color these characters. I am using pencil colors here to color these characters. You can color any of your choice, but the face, the hands and the legs will go with skin color. So the mother is done. Now we'll go with the coloring the boy and a girl. Here you can see the characters are done. Now what we will do, we'll take a mother and we'll paste it on this part, okay, like this. But for making it a little higher than this sheet, we'll use a thermocol. And paste it on a thermocol.
Go.
So paste the thermocol here on the face and the body and pasting it here like this. If you don't have a thermocol, you can use a paper folder, folding a paper and using it, or you can use the sponge. Okay. The girl is done. You can see the mother is done. Now we need to paste the boy or a girl, so I am going on with the boy. We'll paste it here on this brown sparkling shade so that the boy come here along with this sheet and hug her mother. Sparkling sheet, brown sparkling sheet. So here is a boy. I have pasted on this brown sparkling sheet, and now when I will slide this brown sparkling sheet, the boy is coming to hug his mother, and now the boy can go back and come again. So this is the card for your mothers. Now what we will do,
Go.
we need to decorate this. So here we will write, happiness is a mother's hug. So we have outlined this. Now we'll color to fill it from in between. You can go on with any colors. I am going on with the red color.
Go.
So happiness is a mother's hug. A boy is hugging his mother. This is the slider card. Now you can decorate it with anything at the sides or in the bottom. So I am cutting the hearts with the help of my puncher, and I'll paste those hearts in between. These are the hearts that we can paste here. Like this. So the card is done. As you can see, the slider card is made so beautiful for your beautiful mother. Inside you can write any message for your mother, or you can paste anything, the hearts or the flowers, anything. You can show any of your creativity, and I would love it if you will send your videos to me and your cards, the pictures of your cards to me when you will make for your mother. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.